The Cooler Master V650 SFX Gold is a high-quality, compact power supply unit that's perfect for any SFX case and especially ideal for Mini-ITX system builds. With an 80+ gold efficiency rating, this PSU ensures you're getting top-notch power efficiency, saving on electricity bills while maintaining optimal performance. One of the standout features of the V650 SFX Gold is its fully modular design. This means that you can attach only the cables you need, reducing clutter inside your case. Not only does this make your build look cleaner, but it also improves airflow, which can significantly enhance thermal performance. The unit comes with an SFX to ATX bracket included, making it incredibly versatile. If you ever decide to transfer your components to a larger ATX case, you can do so seamlessly without having to invest in a new power supply. The included 16 AWG PCIe cables are another highlight. Thicker than standard cables, they can carry higher currents more efficiently, enhancing both the safety and overall performance of your system. This is particularly beneficial for gamers and professionals who require stable and reliable power for their high-performance graphics cards. A quiet FDB fan is integrated into the V650 SFX Gold, ensuring that your system remains cool without generating excessive noise. This is crucial for maintaining a peaceful workspace or gaming environment. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, Cooler Master stands behind the durability and reliability of this unit, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected for a decade. In summary, the Cooler Master V650 SFX Gold is a superb choice for anyone looking to build a powerful yet compact PC. Its combination of high efficiency, full modularity, superior cabling, and quiet operation, along with the flexibility offered by the included ATX bracket, makes it one of the best PSUs in the SFX form factor on the market today. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or a casual user, this PSU will meet and exceed your power needs. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.